In this video, we present a solution that uses the brand new Haiku model from Anthropic. This model is not only cost-effective, but also delivers good results quickly. First, we install the necessary libraries without mentioning the names of the imported or installed libraries. Then we put in the Anthropic API keys, which are used for illustration in this video, but are not real. We import the required modules and create an instance of the chat Anthropic model, using Anthropic's Haiku model. Then we ask a question about Olaf Scholz and another about Peter Drucker. The answers are explained in continuous text without mentioning the names of the functions. Next, we create a chain by creating a chat prompt template instance and connecting it to the chat Anthropic model. We use this chain to write a poem on the topic Claude Haiku. Finally, we define a generate function that takes an input and a system prompt and generates a response based on Anthropic's Haiku model. We use this function to generate simple explanations of topics such as vector cosine similarity and pedantic output parser. Finally, we create an infinite loop where the user can enter a topic to which a formal and germane answer is generated. Don't forget that you can sign up on crowdcompany.net for just €1 to create your own AI solution for your company without having to invest a lot of time or money. To summarize, in this video you learned how to use Anthropic's Haiku model to get good results quickly and inexpensively. You have learned how to ask questions, write poems, and generate simple explanations on complex topics. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us by email. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video.